eyes are like two jewels in the sky. Your back is straight, your hair is smooth upon the pillow where you lie. But I sense no affection, no gratitude or love. Your loyalty is not to me, but to the stars above. One more cup of coffee for the road. One more cup of coffee before I go to the valley below. Your daddy, he's an outlaw, a wanderer by trade. He taught you how to pick and shoot and how to throw the blade. He oversees his kingdom, so no stranger does intrude. His voice trembles as he calls out for another plate of food. One more cup of coffee for the road. One more cup of coffee before I go to the valley below. Your sister sees the future like your mama and yourself. You never learn to read or write, there are no books upon your shelf. But your pleasure knows no limits, your voice is like a metal lark. Your heart is like the ocean, mysterious and dark. One more cup of coffee for the road.